Hi guys, Pedro Martins with you in Canteen.net in our channel in YouTube, in our community Canteen.net. Around this second video about ALM Power Platform Make a Discover, we will talking about, don't missing the first video, okay? For this we will talking about Power Page ALM, right? See a brief video and demo around how we use Power Platform CLI, okay? So I will show you exactly what means Power Page and Power Platform CLI, okay? To do this, the first thing you must do is, of course, download and install Visual Studio Code and install the extension Microsoft Power Platform CLI, right? After that, in step 1, you must authenticate in your environment, okay? It's only make PAC meanings Power Platform CLI, okay? So now we talking about PAC, everything is PAC, okay? Don't forget PAC, and let's see it. Let's see a demo very quickly. Go to demo time. It's time to a demo. Let's open VS Code, right, guys? What you must do is so easy. For example, the first thing is go to extensions here, put Power Platform, write Power Platform, and go Power Platforms, install the Power Platforms tools, okay? Right? After this, you can see here the Power Platform extension. After, you can create a profile new. If you don't, of course, in the first time you don't have one, so you click here, right? And it's possible asking to you on account where you can connect to your environment in Power Platform, right? You put the password and make the sign-in process, and after that you see a profile. In that profile, you can see in button your environments. You see it? This is my environment, and all solutions I have in my environments. Okay? For example, don't forget, install the extension, download VS Code, and begin to making amazing things with the VS Code and the PAC or CLI, okay, in Power Automate, the PAC tool. Okay, guys? So, you see here, the first thing I want, and this is amazing, I want download my Power Page portal. Okay? How to do it? How to download the Power Page portal? I will show you my Power Apps Studio, okay, my environment in Make Power Apps, right? And I will show you the app I have. For example, I have one on Portal in my default. I have one Portal, continue community Canteen.net, right? So imagine I want not to use this web browsing stuff here, but why not download all the site to begin make some modifications in my VS Code? How to do it? This is the question. The first thing you must do is only, for example, imagine PAC. You can ask to PAC to list your portals. Is only put PAC portal list. But first, you must create authentication. Okay, authenticate to your for example, create to make authentication to your environment. Okay, so after that you can list all your sites you have in your environment. Okay, this is the environment default I have, right? After this you can, so easy 10, ask by ID PAC PA portal download the path where you will download it and download the site. I will download the site and retrieve the structure of all my sites. Okay, so using the PAC and the CLI, you can, of course, retrieve the objects. And what is amazing, after that, you can navigate in your VS Code and make modifications. For example, imagine if you want to modify the home page, let's see it, the home page in PT, for example. I have, but now I have all the code, only the code in HTML. Okay, if you see it, you can have a preview in top of your Visual Studio Code. You see this icon, Power Apps Portal Show Preview. You can show the HTML. And now, if you want, for example, why not change, for example, this. Let's see, where is it? For example, let's see, I want change, for example, some content here to put, for example, make the title, right? I am using the VS Code to do it, right? So I change this, and now the most important is you can use your project in the Git, okay, and store it in Git to the CI/CD, right? If you want, you can apply it to Git and to have a branch strategy to run pipelines and so on, right, guys? So let's now continue with this. After you change, the question is, okay, now you change, yeah, and the difference between your portal web-based environment and your machine local in Visual Studio Code, right? Yeah, so you can ask PAC, upload me the site, please. And after that, you can run the PAC PA portal upload, and this guy will add the change, upload the change you did it. If you go now here, you make a sync. Don't forget, make a sync here, and voila, guys. You see it how quickly is use the PAC to change your contents in Power Apps, in Power Page, in local to your environment based, right? Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, make your comments in the below comments, and of course, stay tuned, stay with us, and subscribe. And don't forget, download the application Canteen.net in Play Store and use the website to know better about our initiatives and what we plan to do about this community. Stay tuned, stay safe, bye bye. Let's talking about another.